The 5-axis drilling and tapping machine has produced an impressive electrode piece. The raw material is brass. Take a guess at the weight of the finished product. The machine model is JF600. Take a look at their working environment. First, we use a 4.0 millimeters end mill for roughing the profile. Then, we use a 2.0 millimeters end mill for fine finishing. Don't underestimate it. This can ensure the dimensions are spot on in one go. The B-axis rotates 90. And then we use a 1.0 millimeters end mill to machine a 0.6 millimeters cylindrical feature without changing the end mill. We then machine the arc surface. Have you ever heard about the milling cutter of 1.0? This product is machined with different milling cutters. Next, the axis rotates 90. So don't blink, everyone. We do the next processing. We use a 0.3 millimeters drill bit to drill a 0.3 millimeters hole, followed by a 0.3 millimeters end mill to cut a 0.3 times 0, 5-shaped feature. Then, we use a 2.0 millimeters spiral chamfering tool to chamfer and remove burrs. Finally, we use a 0.5 millimeters saw blade to cut off the pieces. And that's how we produce a perfect electrode piece. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.